Hey everyone! Welcome to today's live session, where we're going to build a fully functional, interactive sidebar navigation in React. This sidebar will have nested items, icons, and drop-down functionality. So, let's dive in. First, we import useState from React because we need to track whether a menu item with children is open or closed. Now, we define a functional component called sidebar item. It receives item as a prop. We use the useState hook to create an open state, which is initially set to false. This will allow us to toggle drop-downs open and closed when clicking on a parent item. Next, we check if this item has children. If it does, that means it's a drop-down menu, so we need to create an expandable section. We return a div with a class of sidebar item. If open is true, we also add an open class, which will be used for styling. Inside main div, we add another div. This will contain the title, the icon, if any. First, we check if item.icon exists. If it does, we render an div element with the corresponding icon class. Then, we display the title. Next, we add a drop-down toggle button. This is an I element. When we click on it, we toggle the open state using setOpen. Now, we create another div. This will hold the child items. We use map method to loop through item.childrens and render another sidebar item for each child. This allows for infinite nesting of menus. If the item doesn't have children, it means it's a simple link. We return an A tag with the item.path as its ref. If there's an icon, we display it before the title. I noticed a couple of typos. First, we use children instead of children's. Also, we have a typo in our class name. Now, let's move on to the sidebar.js file. First, we import our sidebar item component. Next, we import a JSON file. This file contains an array of sidebar items. Now, we define the sidebar component. Inside the return statement, we create a div with the class sidebar. Then, we map through items and pass each item to sidebar item as a prop. Now, in app.js, we import the sidebar component. We also import bootstrap icons and our custom styles to make sure the sidebar looks good. We define our main app component. Inside the return statement, we wrap everything inside a div. This contains two sections, the sidebar and a div tag. Inside that div tag, we add a heading and a button for demonstration purposes. Finally, we export the app component so it can be used in index.js or another entry file. Now, let's look at our sidebar.json file. This file stores our sidebar structure as an array of objects. Each object represents a sidebar section. The title is the name of the section, icon is the bootstrap icon class, and children's is an array of subitems. Some items, like contact, have children inside them, creating a nested drop-down menu. Feel free to add more sections and children's. We've built a fully functional sidebar navigation in React. We used recursion for nested items, managed state for collapsible menus, and used a JSON file for flexibility. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more live coding sessions. See you in the next one.